when publisher. So we've got it here, and it's gonna turn off trace. We'll move this away. Okay, I want to export this drawing in particular. We can go into the layout book. I've named this site plan. Well, let's rename this actually. I'll click on properties down here and we'll name it ground floor. Okay, and then I'll right click here, place drawing, get a window with all my views, and I want the ground, just a simple ground. Place, so it came in, and it came in with a scale bar because I set it up as a 1 to 100 beginning. Okay, you can change the scale up here. However, I wouldn't recommend changing it here because your text will not correspond to the scale. So say that the text is too small, so rather go back and change everything in here. So you can open the source view, which is the same thing as going back to, okay, so if I go in here, click here, I know that ground is sitting on ground. This is basically similar to InDesign. You've linked a file or linked a view inside a sheet, okay? And that's your layout book, and you lay things up here. So let's say I want my first floor to be the next sheet. So what you can do is hold Control. I've selected this, hold Control, and pull it down. It's just going to copy it. However, I can change this and say first floor down here, and then I'll click here and right click and link drawing to. So I want to link it to first, a link. Okay. The reason why it's different style because I haven't changed it. I haven't matched the style to the first floor and the ground floor. So we can quickly do that by open source view and then go into the ground floor. And I'll just pick up the settings from this one and go up to first floor and just Control Alt to inject the settings. Okay. And then go back here. That's all sorted. Okay. So see the name here. It's first ground. And the reason the name is there is because we've named it here. So whatever you name it here, it's going to name it. Let's say we say ground X. And if we go back here, it should say ground X as well, even though this is called ground floor. Okay.